Hi girls, I have a little secret today. Well, it's not going to be a secret now, but I'm wearing the Camyz shaper in the new beautiful sea green. Now, for anyone who doesn't know about our Camyz shapers or our travel collection, the fabrics are light, luxurious and beautiful. Does not, oops, oh golly, I've got the travel bra under there as well. Another secret, but these Camyz shapers are lots of room over the bust. Beautiful and shaping in the tummy without being actually too tight. Perfect under knitwear to be seen under jackets like I've worn them. They are reversible, so it could be a V-neck on the other side. But I have another little secret too. All right, here I go. Wearing the travel knickers. Love, love, love these. They are soft, luxurious, loads of room in the leg. And not only that, everything comes. The firming travel, the travel knickers, the bra, all come in these gorgeous Viola, ice blue and peach, as well as the sea green.